Hi, this is Indranil and you are watching Business Bites in our channel, The Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. In today's Business Bites, first news we have, e-commerce firm Meesho is now aiming to file for IPO and raised a total $550 million in their ongoing funding round. Second news we have, US Buyout Fund Advent to take a controlling stake in Orra Fine jewellery. Third news we have, Fintech small finance bank Slice Bank to raise $250 million to expand their digital banking operations. Fourth news we have, Apple to make Bharat Forge their vendor for making their components. And fifth news we have, soft drink, ice cream, AC makers scaling up their production to match early season demand spike. In first news, e-commerce firm Meesho is now aiming to file for IPO and raised a total $550 million in their ongoing round of funding. The Bangalore-based e-commerce company Meesho has closed another $250 to $270 million in their ongoing round of funding and raised a total of $550 million majorly as secondary investment. Meesho is also aiming to file the draft IPO papers in the second half of 2025 as a potential listing in 2026, for which they have filed an application with NCLT, that is National Company Law Tribunal, for a reverse merger of their India unit Fashionere Technologies with the US parent Meesho Inc. Meesho has reported a 33% growth in their revenue from the previous year as 7,615 crore in financial year 2024, where the online marketplace generates most of their sales from non-metro market, and their net loss stood at 304 crore for the financial year 2024. Over the last year, Meesho has introduced Meesho Mall, which is a brand-focused offering where they charge commission from listed firms on the marketplace and they don't charge any fee from sellers on their main marketplace, and they generate revenue through advertising and by offering logistics services. In second news, US Buyout Fund Advent International to take a controlling stake in Orra Fine jewellery. Orra Fine Jewellery is owned by India's top diamond manufacturer and retailer Rosy Blue Group, where Advent International is expected to take a controlling stake of 51 to 75% stake at a valuation of $174 to $203 million, that is around 1,500 to 1,750 crore. The company was founded in 1888 with design centers in Tokyo, New York, Hong Kong and India, where the company has launched their retail brand Orra in 2004 to sell diamond, gold and platinum jewellery through their physical and online stores. Orra has increased their revenue to 1,156 crore, which is up by 23.5% in financial year 2024 from 936 crore as last year revenue. But the company has reported a loss of 11 crore in the financial year 2024 after 3 years of profit. Orra has been seeking partners to infuse capital to grow their business in India and overseas amid a larger disruption by new age brands and lab-grown diamonds. In third news, Fintech small finance bank Slice Bank to raise $250 million to expand their digital banking operations. The Bangalore-based company Slice Bank was founded by Mr. Rajan Bajaj, was merged with the Assam-based Northeast Bank in October 2024, and they has obtained the regulatory approval to operate under their new identity as Slice Bank in expanding their scope of business beyond fintech. The merged bank is now valued at $1.3 to $1.5 billion and is expected to be at an annual revenue run rate of around 1,200 crore, where the company has started rolling out their banking services as select user groups by offering aggressive interest rates on saving accounts. Slice Bank is having a plan to expand their physical and digital reach during 2025 and over the next year, where they are set to launch merchant lending payment settlements through a separate app by offering them a full stack services which will accelerate their fee-based income. The company is planning to set up digital banking units known as DBUs, where the customers can do most of their banking requirements by themselves, which enables Slice Bank to have a digital-led hybrid experience. Presently, the small finance bank is having 200 branches and they are aiming to hit 70 million customers by financial year 2030 from their current customer base of around 11 million. In fourth news, Apple to make Bharat Forge as one of their vendors for making components including mechanics. Bharat Forge is a Kalyani Group company helmed by the 76-year-old Baba Kalyani, is a leading Indian manufacturing company with nearly 5,000 employees, and they are involved in the forging, automotives, energy, construction and mining, railway, marine, aerospace and defense industries with their multiple subsidiaries. On the other side, Apple is having multiple vendors in India, which includes Sunwoda, who makes battery packs, Foxlinks, who makes cables, and Aquas, who makes their enclosures, where Salcom is one of their earliest component suppliers, is continuing to expand operations beyond their current portfolio of coils, power packs, and magnetics. Among Apple's largest suppliers is Amperex Technology Limited, which will soon start producing battery cells in their 180 acres plant in Manesar, Haryana, while Apple suppliers include 3 iPhone assembly plants in India, where the largest of them run by Foxconn in Tamil Nadu and the other 2 are Tata Group units in Tamil Nadu and Karnataka. Apple has achieved local value addition of up to 5th for various models on the back of expansion in its supplier base in India, where the company started manufacturing at the start of the production-linked incentive scheme in 2020, and the company has produced iPhone worth $17.5 billion in 2024 and also achieved a record $12.8 billion of export. And in fifth news, soft drink, ice cream, AC makers scaling up their production to capitalize on an anticipated surge in demand amid an unusual early onset of summer season. Air conditioner manufacturers in particular have been operating in full capacity from December last year to match an expected rise of demand at around 50 to 55% for air conditioners due to changes in weather patterns, and the product is becoming a necessary. Usually, summer months from March to June traditionally account for over half of the annual soft drink sales, despite companies' effort to deseasonalize demand through festive campaigns and round-the-year promotions. On the other side, Amul, which makes ice cream, cheese and beverages, is ramping up capacity and also gearing up for expected demand surge across their categories, where even smaller summer-centric categories like cooling hair oil and talcum powder have also started stocking their products with the retailers. As per India Meteorological Department, that is IMD, temperature have broken a 6-year record this season, with maximum and minimum levels rising by 6 to 7 degrees above average across North India. So these were the top 5 business newses from Business Bytes in our channel, the Spotlight News, India's first online business news channel. So thank you very much for watching Business Bytes, and signing it off,